how to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. So let's get started. So at first you will have to open your Instagram app on your device. So simply open the Instagram app. And now from here, to create an Instagram account, you'll have to go with the options create a new account. So simply you have to tap on the create a new account option. And now from here, you'll be able to create a new account. You can donate with your phone number or you can sign up with the email address. So to make an Instagram account without anyone knowing, you'll have to go with the email address. Alright, so after you give the unique or different email address on the Instagram creating new account option, you will be able to create a new account with the new username. So make sure you have given the different unique Gmail address or unique username to make the Instagram account without knowing anyone. So this is the easiest and simplest method to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.